Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make filtering easy with slicer buttons. Let's get started. I have here a basic spreadsheet of units sold in various countries and products, and I want my users to be able to filter the data they are looking for. Before we begin, we do need to make sure our data here is formatted as a table. The keyboard combination shortcut to format your data as a table is Control T. Excel will highlight your data. You can click OK, and we have our table. Now head to the Insert tab at the top and head to the right to click Slicer. I'll add a slicer for both column 1 and column 2. Click OK, and we can move our slicer buttons around as desired. Now that our slicer buttons are inserted, a few tips around formatting them. If you click on the slicer box and then go to the slicer tab at the very top, you can change the color using slicer styles located here. You can also select slicer settings, and a dialog box will appear where you can change the name that appears up at the very top. You can decide whether or not to display a header. You can also change the way the items are sorted or filtered. You can also determine whether or not you want to show or hide items that have no data. I'll leave the general settings for now and click OK. Now let's try it. Filtering by country and then by product. But instead using the slicer buttons, so if I click China, which is a simple click, my table has been updated, and it's a lot more interactive. Now, if I want to search for a particular product, I can click apples. Again, the data updates. In order to clear these filters, you can just hit the clear filter icon at the very top and your data will reset. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.